Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today in this quick video, I will be showing you how to make your X account private. Now let's walk you through the steps to enhance your privacy settings and keep your information secure. The first thing that I want you to do is open the app and log into your account using username and password. Once logged in, navigate to the profile icon present on the top left corner of your screen. After that, tap on the arrow-like icon and expand the Settings and Support section. Then go for Settings and Privacy. Now, once you're on the Settings page, go and tap on Privacy and Safety. Then tap on Audience and Tagging. Now, enable the toggle button of Protect Your Post if it's turned off. Doing this, you can control who see your post, comments, and likes. Then enable the Protect Your Videos toggle button. This won't let others to download the videos or posts you share via DMs. So that's it. You have successfully made your account private. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe our YouTube